Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube channel. Wait, what? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today's video is another self-quarantine, self-distancing video, and we are baking today. It's currently 6 o'clock. I kind of got a late start because I was watching TV and cleaning and stuff, but we are making, let me just tell you, we are making strawberry lemon blondies from Pinterest. Here's a photo. It looks super delicious. Hopefully I don't fuck it up, but we'll see. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I need to preheat the oven to, oh perfect, 350, and get a pan out. Oh wait, I don't even know if I have the right pan. Okay, this will do. Okay, so here's all the ingredients. Sugar, flour, powdered sugar, baking powder, a lemon, butter, strawberries, and extra flour. Let's see what we have to do. Okay, line a 9-inch square baking pan with parchment paper. Oh, thank God. So I had to go to the store today because I didn't have, well, I did have strawberries, but I didn't know if I had enough. And I needed powdered sugar. Surprised I found some. I already had flour, which thank God, because flour's gone. What the heck? The world is insane right now. Okay, cream the butter and sugar until fluffy, beat in the egg. Oh, you also need an egg. Whoops. Oh, my Lanta. Let's begin. So we need a cup of butter. Yes, 3/4 cups of sugar. Oh my God, they're like huge. Okay, wait, hold on. I'm so unprepared. So unprepared. Okay. I should have done it in this really big ass bowl. Yeah. Oh wait. Yeah, I need to change the bowls. Whoa. Ew. Piece of a stem. Ugh. See that? Okay, so we're gonna crack an egg. Don't get the shell in there. I'm surprised you only need like 1 egg. Beat in the lemon juice, and I think I need, how much lemon juice? 1/4 cup, so this huge ass lemon will definitely do the trick. It's so big. I don't have like a citrus squeezer, so you know, gotta use the hands. Mix it a little. There's 1/2 cup. of baking powder. Do I get my teaspoon? Here's 1 teaspoon. Do I have half a teaspoon? No. Okay, so here's 1 teaspoon. I just need half of this. Okay. I don't get the whole baking like powder. Like, does it actually do something? Because I'm hardly putting any in there for it to actually do something. Very crumbly. I'm not sure if that's how it's supposed to look. You guys, we're gonna... That's a big knife. Okay, wow. We're gonna dice up the strawberries. And I just need a cup, so. So I added the strawberries in, and we're gonna mix it up, and then we're gonna put it into the pan. Okay, so I had to put it in a smaller bowl. I needed a 9 by 13, but I didn't have one, so I have an 8 by 6. Okay, this definitely could, okay, I don't know. Whatever, so I just put it in a smaller bowl. I do have a little left over, but that's fine. So I'm gonna put it in the oven, and then we're gonna make like the topping part. Okay, so we have to make the topping, which is like a strawberry puree. So I have my food processor, and let's see. I just need 1 tablespoon of strawberry puree, which is like 2 strawberries. What we're gonna do. Okay, what the frick? Oh, there we go. Okay, let's blend her up. Well, that didn't do anything. Do I have to add like water or something? Cause like, why isn't it working? I don't know. I don't know. I'm just shaking it a little bit to, you know, strain it faster. Okay. So it's a half a cup. Guys, look. Look, I poured the glaze over. I took a little bite, and it's so good. I'm gonna take this corner piece. Oh, yes. Well, anyways, that completes this video, baking with RISS while she self-quarantines and self-distance because we don't want no virus. So, hope you guys really enjoyed. Many videos coming your way, and I hope you guys stay safe and healthy. I hope you guys stay safe and healthy. And yeah, give this video a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!